अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड। हैव अ नाइस डे, गुड डे। थैंक यू फॉर ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड। दोस्तों देख सकते हैं आज का हमारा टॉपिक गेट डाटा आईओ विल लिस्ट शेरिडन SHM spot trading stake GT ETH in launch pool to earn SHM Horley। थैंक यू अगेन डियर फ्रेंड। तो दोस्तों देख सकते हैं हमारा आज का टॉपिक, आज हम बात कर रहे हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर। गेट डाटा यो लॉन्च पोल शेडम स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग स्टेक GT ETH इन लॉन्च पोल टू अर्न SHM हॉर्ली। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं दोस्तों। गेट डाटा यो विल लिस्ट शेडम SHAM और स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग on May 8, 2025 at 10 UTC to reward our team. You can stake GT ETH and Shadow SHM launch pool, earn 1401112 SHM Shadow for free with the reward distribute every hour. Shadow SHM spot trading start May 8, 2025 at 10 UTC. Deposit SHM, trade SHM in USDT market Viva. Thank you so much, dear friend. Shadam SHM short spot trading, my dear friend. Trade state by 8 2025 10 UTC. Deposit SHM and you see the trade SHM in USDT market Viva. Thank you so much again, dear friend. Shadam SHM launch pool. तो आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। तो दोस्तों आज देख सकते हैं हमारा आज का टॉपिक गेट लाइव शेडम SHM प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू। और बने रहें दोस्तों, जुड़े रहें और देखते रहें आज की स्ट्रीम, हमारा आज का टॉपिक। थैंक यू अगेन डियर फ्रेंड एंड अ नाइस डे एंड गुड डे। आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद ममनून। थैंक यू सो मच। तो आप दोस्त देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, बने रहने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है शैडम शैडम के ऊपर। थैंक यू अगेन डियर फ्रेंड एंड गुड टू सी यू। प्लीज़ जुड़े रहिए दोस्तों आज की स्ट्रीम में आपके साथ। आज का हमारा टॉपिक के ऊपर आज हम बात करने लगे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। तो स्टार्ट दोबारा से हम करते हैं दोस्तों। थैंक यू इस्माइल 1234 एंड गेट यूजर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड। तो चलते हैं आगे की तरफ। आपको बता रहा था दोस्तों मैं शेडम SHM लॉन्च पूल स्टेकिंग पीरियड May 8 2025 at 7 May 18 2025 at 7 UTC। total staking reward 1401112 SHM। नाउ स्टेक करते हैं दोस्तों। थैंक यू अगेन डियर फ्रेंड इस्माइल एंड गेट यूजर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच। आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया। चलते हैं दोस्तों, आपको थोड़ा सा SHM के बारे में बता दूं। Introduction: Shadam, the world's first auto-scaling Layer 1 blockchain designed to solve scalability challenge while maintaining prone to decentralization. Dynamic state shading help keep the gas for the low and TPS high as participation grow. Shadam platform concession and the transaction level and the lower the हाई। थैंक यू सो मच। तो GT पूल बता दूं थोड़ा सा आपको। टोटल स्टेक रिवॉर्ड 110112 SHM एंड पार्टिसिपेट 5574 एंड GT टोकन। इनवैलिड स्टेकिंग कैप 1000 GT token skate GT prize poll Horley cap 458.8. And now mining period 10 days, individual Horley reward cap 22.94 SHM, and reward history total stake 2170973 GT and APR 6.95%. Thank you so much dear friend. क्रिप्टो हाई, आपकी मोहब्बत का शुक्रिया। तो चलते हैं इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट की जानिब दोस्तों और देखते हैं ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट की तरफ जाते हैं दोस्तों। थैंक यू अगेन dear. And now you see the first word auto scaling blockchain. Thank you my dear friend for joining. Now you see decentralization for everyone. Create SHM wallet and get SHM. Thank you so much my lovely friend Nebo Magic and Crypto 9x High. Thank you so much dear friend. SHM your broadless money. Thank you. Good to see you my dear friend, and always affordable. Thank you. New name. No more unpredictable gas fees for to having to guess when it affordable to transact. Shredem fees stay low and stable always. Thank you. And now always scalable. Whether is the thousand or million of user Shredem automatic scales and demanded increase. Thank you my dear friend again. And now always fair. Every transaction it propose security in the order it's received. Nobody can cut the line or expect of the system. No MEB. Again, thanks dear friend Nero and the chief and the Lipo, the gate user. Thank you all my dear friend for joining. Now you see the beautiful theme picture of Shadam. Slowing the trilemma. Thank you. Scalability. Thanks to dynamic state shading consents to reached at the transaction level. This means high speed because of a triple recording and the fees. Security from our combined proof of stake and proof of quorum approach to consents to our auto rotation machine. We focus on the security every step of the way. And now digitalization. Shadam is the performation less and the build of the community to run nodes the increase TPS transactions per second and participate regularity of their locations and backgrounds. थैंक यू अगेन इजाज खान, आपकी मोहब्बत का शुक्रिया इजाज, प्लस फॉलो जरूर कीजिएगा। न्यू नेम, थैंक यू न्यू नेम एंड इजाज खान। एंड नाउ रीड टू वाइट पेपर। अभी आगे चलते हैं दोस्तों, देखते हैं वॉलेट स्कोर अर्न SHM with minimal hardware anywhere to student to season development can become a validator on Shadam to validate transaction support network security and earn SHM reward in return. Thank you again Crypto Big Cash, Shahi and other friend. Thank you so much Shahi. Have a nice day. Create free Shadam wallet account and send and receive SHM. Thank you. Roadmap 2025 Q2. Maintain smart contract talent. Shadam by the number. Now you see this number my dear friend. Ecosystem project 150 plus. Public validator 171K. Community member 1.4 million. Accounts 1.2 million. 81 million transactions. 247K contract. And now token mice. Now you see the graph of this picture, my dear friend. Shadam, sign up to Shadam community newsletter. Thank you again, Shahi and Turkiya. Thank you. Now, new set projects in the Shadam ecosystem and now Tigro. Thank you. Trago is the Gins. Trago and Phil Market Fashion Oil. Thank you. This is the project of Shadam. Community Drive Shadam. So you see there, friend, my friend, Shadam is the supported, operate, utilize, management, and the created by the community. Thank you. 21 countries. Attended 21 countries. 45 proof of community. Thank you so much, dear friend. Shadam in the news. And now you see, dear friend, the Shadam in the news. Nesting digitalization at scale insert from the Siren, and now Shadam tokens sale in live, get early access to SHM. Shadam hits 171k validator in testnet and the record for. Thank you again, G2. Thank you, G2. And now the blog. Thank you so much, my dear friend. The blog. You see, Shadam trading. Begons now available to leading crypto. Shadam SHM is a new live for trading on the top crypto exchange like Bitget, Max, and the Bitmart. Learn how to busy SHM and unlock the potential of Shadam minute goes live here. What is you need to know? Shadam Minute is now live experience, the world first automatic EVM based layer 1 blockchain. Learn but about key future, early access to node participation, and how to run Shadam validator node to mainnet. Learn how to Shadam validator node on mainnet with the step-by-step guide. Set up, stake, and start earning SHM reward, all with minimal. Thank you so much, my dear friend. E Amalato Megalta. Thank you for joining, dear friend. आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया, गेट यूजर फ्रेंड. वेलकम फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, माय डियर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड इजाज खान, प्लीज फॉलो जरूर कीजिएगा. इजाज, आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया. नाउ Shadam digitalization for everyone. Shadam is an event-based auto-scaling blockchain. Shadam, sign up to Shadam community newsletter. Thank you so much, dear friend. आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया. तो आपने ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट मैंने आप दोस्तों के साथ शेयर की Shadam की, और आपकी मोहब्बतों के लिए बेहद शुक्रिया. थैंक यू अगेन, माय लवली फ्रेंड इजाज खान. आपकी मोहब्बतों का बेहद ममनून. थैंक यू. Thank you so much. Now network input point. Shadam maintain. What is the Shadam? Shadam is a EVM based line one that use dynamic state shading to achieve line ready scalable while the attention automatic composable across shard. This means Shadam can increase the tips capacity with the validator add to network to retain low fees ever. Thank you so much again, my dear friend. Shadam provide the highest thought capacity of any EVM based one without the scientification of decentralization developers and the adoptly and internet with solidity for or VPR contract without special consideration for the sharing. Science contract are developed to unique shared automatic while the rating automatic compulsory across two shared. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया दोस्तों, आगे चलते हैं। Shardam is the solution to the blockchain trilemma. As blockchain tries to achieve scalability, decentralization, and security, it will only be able to atone the most be trade-off between decentralization and scalability with the security and access element. Shardam achieves scalability, decentralization, and still maintain to security. Thank you again, dear friend Tona and the Nutrition. Thank you, Nutrition Tona. Shardam, the auto scale feature allow to network automatically adjust the number based and size of the shared board on the current workload. The allows and the system to optimize platform and maintain high level of scalability as the grow and the level. Thank you so much. And now interrogation. Shardam is the built on the foundation of Shared's core protocol participation, thus well as the first EVM compliant live blockchain optimization dynamic sharding. The architecture uniquely enabled to network to scale transaction thoughtfully with the additional of node addressing the scalable issue community faced by the transaction blockchain. Shardam is the destination to support the server array of DAPPS, making it a well-turned to platform of developments and the business. Thank you, my dear friend, new name. And Muhammad Said, thank you. Orles Logiscan, thank you. And now Shardam future. Dynamic state sharding is the most advanced and complex way to share to state of a network because it's share to state network and transaction dynamically as the paced of per department away. Linear scalability specific reference to facts that system can increase in thought more receive and provide and relation between the thought and the resource in linear. Low transaction fees. The minimum cost of associated with the processing and the confirming transaction on the blockchain network. These fees are paid by the user to innovative miner to validate it, including their transaction and next block of the blockchain. थैंक यू अगेन माय लवली फ्रेंड, आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। तो जुड़े रहें, बने रहें। तो आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों आज का हमारा टॉपिक शर्डम के ऊपर। थैंक यू अगेन आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बत। इजाज थैंक यू, मैंडलिक एंड फीलिंग थैंक यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लवली फ्रेंड, आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया। Now, dear friend, I tell you again. The Sarmad Khan Hamester, thank you Sarmad and Hamester, आपकी मोहब्बतों का भी शुक्रिया सरमद एंड मिस्टर। लो ट्रांजैक्शन फीस हो गया। EVM बेस्ड स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म रेफरेंस टू compatibility to blockchain network with the Ethereum viral machine EVM along to accept smart contract and transaction that are compatible with the Ethereum access ecosystem. Thank you again, dear friend. Solves scalability trilemma. Achieve a balance between transaction security and the scalability technically ensure the scalability and comprise the digitalization of security, but innovative solutions like sharding layer 2 protocols and consensus almighty improvement IM2 to address all the specific synchronization. Thank you, the uncall. Auto scaling. Adjust competition resource automatically based on the demanded, ensuring ultimate performance and the cost effectively in the hardless traffic spec, affecting providing a seamless user experience without minimal invitation. Security, security. Ensure the protection of data, interrogated transaction automatically at the network location against attack, strong cryptographic protocols and consensus maximization of permutation to maintain high security in blockchain system. Immediate finality. Ensure that the once transaction in confirmation in cannot be a trade reserved for the double spent. This is the critical for application requirement quick and the benefit transaction selection low literacy. Reference to minimal delay between the intention of transaction. It's the competition ensure of application needing quick transparency process and user responsible. Thank you again, the Buddha Crypto. Boss 6600. Thank you, Lisa. Have a nice day, Lisa, and thank you for joining. Al Fadl Lazmi. Thank you, my dear friend. Thank you so much. Hi, friends. Operator effectively with the minimal data transmission requirement in recording, operation cost, and individual access to nudging with the limited internet infrastructure. Hi, friends. Ensure the all participation and equally opportunity to validate a transaction and propose to new black, maintaining for finance thought, decentralization consensus mentioned and the transparency protocol. High capacity. The network's ability to hold to leaving volume of transaction per second TPS critical of scalability, ensuring to the network to support growing number of user and application without the performance degradation. Shared and core protocols. Base protocol. The shared core protocols headlines sharing the consents without the needing to know the specifics of application level transaction. This is the specific ensure multiplayer and security along to protocol to function independently of the DAWPS running on to the top of the hair. You can take look at how we successful integrated start should software. Thank you so much. Happy Biradar. Samat Salim. Thank you. Keep claim. Thank you so much. Keep claim. And now you see the cost shared setup, inference type starting from and other API interaction, deep instruct with the sharing core protocol thought definitely API. This is the abstraction ensuring that core protocol does not discrimination across to multiple application data, maintaining a clear boundary between two protocol and the application EVM compliance. Smart contract Shadem support to extension of Ethereum smart contract, allowing the development to develop the access contract without the modification. Tool community at all to application built of Ethereum can on Shadem trading is modification to adoption. Extension environment by the maintenance EVM community Shadem level to the robots and the familiarity of Ethereum ecosystem, making its scale able for developer. EVM initialization. Click here to maximum to the code and repose. Thank you again, my dear friend. And you see, my dear friend, again and again. Thank you for joining, dear. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया. What is the Shadam short to intro? Thank you. What is the sharding? Sharding is a network architecture that enables to perform processing to achieve increased transaction thought and platform. It involves to breaking the network to similar, more manageable pieces, cloud shared each and process to protection of network transaction independently thought, allowing to proper processing and increasing the network overall capacity. Sharding help mitigate able to performance challenge the unable shared blockchain network phase as the become popular type of sharding. So you, my dear friend, see network to sharding, compound to sharding, data sharding, and state sharding. Sharding, network sharding. Thank you again, dear friend Muhammad Saeed and Big Junzi. Thank you for joining, my dear friend Big Junzi. Network sharding. Network sharding innovative participating to need blockchain network into small similar introduction group cloud shared each share to responsible for the processing and the validating a subset to the transaction and storing a protection of the blockchain stay by the distributing to the workload among multiple shared the network can process more transaction contrary and achieve greater thought in network shading each the operator independently with the consumed arbitrary leader and the transaction pool. However, they still community with the another to maintain all over the security and integrity of the network cross share communication happen thought the management at allows share to exchange information and synchronize their sets. Thank you again, my dear friend Udo. And now compact shading. In compact shading in the needs in the network still store the inter blockchain but they only process and the validator and the transaction access to their cross share transaction requirement. Additionally, steps such as two-phase competent to the ensure accuracy and the maintenance of network security. And data sharing. In data sharing, the data stored by the blockchain is protection to similar piece with the each and the responsible for the data storing and the maintenance. Their relation to stage bird on individual nodes and the enable fast data access through Ravitan. State sharing. State sharing stay sharing involving devolving to the blockchain state account balance smart contract data etc into the splitters segment with each order and the maintaining to protection of overall the state. This help reduce strong and the competence requirement for the individual need making into the easier for the term of participation in the world. Shardam implements three dynamics shared to appear network and transaction Shadam auto scaling feature flow at the network to adjustment the number and size of the shadow based on the current workload. This allows the system to optimization performance and maintaining high level for the scalability as it grow and the evolve. Thank you. And what is the shading in crypto? My dear friend, you see the beautiful picture of the shading of crypto. Thank you, X Crypto Hunter. Have a nice day, Crypto Hunter. So you see what is the shading in crypto. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बत का बेहद शुक्रिया. Thank you, Gate user friend. Thank you so much, X Crypto. And again, dynamic state sharing, strategic sharing. There are two types of state sharing: stick state sharing and dynamic state sharing. Now, stick sharing, shared export, shared address space is to per emitter announcements processing of multiple and shared transaction, no comprehensive for the across transaction, and now dynamic sharing. Shares and the famous of need to process transaction against assigning to the shared signature or processing of multiple shared transaction automatic composable for all transaction. You again, dear friend. आपकी बातों का शुक्रिया. Now, the most general approach to sharding to advise to address space of accounting into multiple fixed size region called shared nodes in the network or assigning different share. In dynamic state sharing system to share them shared and can adapt to change in network condition. It innovates spelling or meaning shared allowing the remaining nodes from the shared or reassigning nodes to different shared reorganization and help multiple optimize balance to between the systems load and resource, ensuring the network operator effectively and the securely shared reasonable regionalization happen thought virus ability to respond to the change in the real time. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now, in Shardam, each validator to cover to unique range of address only need to access to transaction assigning into it and the store responder state changing automatic and validator cover of the unique range of address. Some validator cover the same address in the sense of the overlap thought. Additionally, recording ensuring every address in the schedule has requirement reduction of last 1 to 8 validator. And now compared to stick state sharding, dynamic state sharding allows the number of shader and their competition of change dynamically based on network condition. This adaptability enables dynamic state sharing to optimization the system performance and the resource allocation with the increased efficiency. Thank you so much, my dear friend Jinki and Rockstar Arif. Imam Zafa, thank you. Sweet Kef, thank you. Third Thinking you, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ethereum Virtual Machine. What is the EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine? What is the EVM? EVM is the short of Ethereum Virtual Machine. Let's start with the virtual machine in the simple word. The purpose of the virtual machine to the virtualization, the version of the host computers and servers like client APIs and the additionally that version on multiple end user system across to the world. The hype help of software programming and automation in web 1.0 and Web 2.0. The software program at typically instead to the maintenance by the developer and the centralization institution of properly use. Thank you again, Luz Jackie. Thank you. now, now let's bring the Ethereum network into the mix with EVM in Web 3.0. Open Score blockchain is the use to hard the virtualization of service across to multiple systems with the help of network protocol. The technology is primary operator and the maintained by the underlying nodes to the network relation in the high decentralization. However, EVM and the further development performance and access to the any logical step of the competition function thought the smart contract with the level of automation that was the never sent before. Thank you again, my lovely friend. When now have the start machine, the virtualization service in the influx of thousands of applications across multiple systems with the unable level of the automation. So in effect, what you see what the Ethereum is not just decentralization ladder holding data on account and the balance, but also is the capacity able to store ensure the data of a turn to scalable application and other Web 3.0 commercial service that sets on to the top of it. Thank you. Shadam is EVM compatible. If you are one of the Ethereum based development, please note that Shadam is EVM computation. You do not need to change your application codes to launch. Why? What is adoption? You are the building system. Any smart contract with the run of EVM can be easily ported to Shadam network. You just need to develop a smart contract written in the Solidity or VPR on Shadam with a bonus that you will never have to over about rising gas fees again. So you see, my dear friend, what is the EVM? Thank you again, my dear friend. And now you see today my topic Gate Live Shadam SHM Project Review. Levo. Thank you so much, Dynamicus and Order. You see, thank you for joining my friend. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. प्लीज़ फॉलो ज़रूर कीजिएगा देयर. एंड नाउ ट्रांजैक्शन कंसेंस. Thank you so much, Norixon. Thank you, Lilo and Big Ten Crypto World. Shadam used the combination of proof of stake POS and proof of quorum POQ as it concepts mention of validator every transaction proof of stake. Every validator node in Shadam is required to stake minimum stake amount to start participation in the network. These validator nodes are innovated ARM SHM as a long they are validation transaction honesty and if a node to X military is asked SHM is the sales ensuring the network security. Thank you so much. Proof of Quorum QUORUM. Shadam used the transaction level consensus instead of block level consensus like other popular network. Transaction level consensus elimination to complex need to ensure automate processing. Otherwise, the requirement by a block level consensus platform. This is the further refuels in immediately finality and the law latency and which prevents network consecution. Thank you again. Transaction are validity invalid as soon as they are received with a time stamp with no possibility of double spending. This is the followed by the going and the transaction to all the other nodes are shared or network instead of each every node. Every node instability or work the every other node in the group know about participation transaction. This enable a translate to leadership conflict of allocate votes to quorum in the form of respects. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now, EV voting enable to consent node to utility sign transaction without to need to send vote, providing figure and we were are more 50% of the respect quorum transaction are the competent onto the network along with its unique Ghost protocol. The consensus allocation used to on the Shadam will also automate road while the validator nodes on the network making its extension different for the bad actor to attack the network. And now you see proof of world, proof of stake and proof of quorum. You see my dear friend YouTube video. Thank you so much, Senga. Thank you. थैंक यू क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, आपकी मोहब्बतों का भी बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। एंड नाउ शेडम ओपिकिडिस, आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया जनाब। Block work different and share them because transactions are processing individually are not groundable into the black block. However, generating block its specific intel still required to support the extension smart contract with the black related operation to comply with the John chosen RPC specification. Thank you so much, dear friend. आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। आई एम गुड माय डियर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड थैंक यू फॉर कमेंट्स। थैंक यू PPX, थैंक यू सो मच PPX एंड अदर गेटर एंड थैंक यू सो मच। आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया। तो हम बात कर रहे हैं शेडम ओपोकेस्ट के ऊपर। थैंक यू अगेन PPX इजाज चौधरी एंड क्रिप्टो चैंपियन आल्सो थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड आल्सो थैंक्स फॉर कमेंट्स, योर लवली कमेंट्स। आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया। दोस्तों आज का हमारा टॉपिक आप देख रहे हैं, आज का हमारा टॉपिक प्रोजेक्ट जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, इसके लिए बने रहें, जुड़े रहें और देखते रहें आज की स्ट्रीम। Shadam used to cycle and called cycle to schedule validator retention and many other operation. For the example, a cycle can take 60 second protocols and the cycler record for each cycle in Shadam block number add to the cycle production or rate. Shadam decided to generate 10 blocks in each cycle in the cycle duration in 60 seconds. A new block will generation every 6 seconds to product to 10 block in the each cycle. Thank you again, dear friend. ट्रांजैक्शन टाइम स्टैम्प, आपकी मोहब्बत का शुक्रिया दोस्तों। ट्रांजैक्शन टाइम स्टैम्प आप दोस्तों के लिए हाजिर हैं, खिदमत हैं दोस्तों। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। थैंक यू फॉर क्रिप्टो किंग राजेश, आपकी मोहब्बतों का भी शुक्रिया ज्वाइन के लिए, आपने ज्वाइन किया। हैव अ नाइस डे, गुड डे। Transaction time step selected to applicate black by the determination, meaning to time base to the black number if the inject the transaction does not have time base to network will destination template for the transaction and is selected to correct block. The block information will be fed into the EVM together with the transaction paper. थैंक यू सो मच माय लवली फ्रेंड, आपकी दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत ही खुश आमदीद आपको कहता हूँ अपनी स्ट्रीम पर। थैंक यू माय चाइनीज फ्रेंड एंड लीलो, हैव अ नाइस डे लीलो। तो दोस्तों देख सकते हैं आज का टॉपिक हमारा गेट लाइव शेडम प्रोजेक्ट यू। थैंक यू फॉर कप ऑफ टी, गिव मी कप ऑफ टी माय डियर फ्रेंड क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। आप दोस्तों की बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया चाय भेजने के लिए। चाय तो हमने किसी और को भी पिलाई थी कुछ दिन पहले, कुछ टाइम पहले, और अभी चाय के साथ केक भी दिया है। थैंक यू। ट्रांजैक्शन स्टैम्प सॉरी Shadam exposed the black related public API independent to Jones RC service can use the same block information as the network. Thank you. आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया। थैंक यू फॉर क्रिप्टो चैंपियन अगेन। And now Explorer, the Shadam Explorer. Now you see total scale, active, total account. I tell you again, my dear friend, total scale 24359, active validators 255, total account 66063, and total Transaction 6245 and standby notes 21. Total stake unstake 14 beta 16. Total staking share 56374. And now you see the graph. This, my dear friend, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Lodo, Central and Motipa, thank you. मिथम, थैंक यू मिथन, आप दोस्तों की बहुत शुक्रिया। और ये आप टेबल देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, शेडम के ऊपर व्यू ऑल ट्रांजैक्शन, ये उनकी ट्रांजैक्शन है दोस्तों। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। You see the graph. Thank you. And now open. Thank you. Happy mood. Japanese blue. Thank you. Japanese blue. Blue is my dear friend. Japanese follow me, my dear friend. Japanese Shadam open and source. Get help, mentorship request and discussion about the code. Thank you again. And now you see what is the Shadam. An EVM computable blockchain platform. Shadam is a EVM computable blockchain platform that lower a dynamic state sharding to achieve large scalability. This invitation approach allows to the constitution of for low transaction fees and thought about effect addresses key barriers to blockchain adoption. Our computation of the Ethereum virtual machine EVM ensure compatibility with the wide range of extension, application and developers tools, facilitating an easy transaction for project and developing looking to benefit from the Shadam infrastructure. Why contribute to Shadam? Thank you. Why contribute to Shadam based boosting your ensuring nutrition here to additional benefits or for contributor. Now number 1, mentorship. We offer weekly office hour and the decided channel on the Discord to help you learn about open source. Number 2, LinkedIn Bridge. Shodan will issue you a contribute trigger for your LinkedIn platform to boost your performance and reputation. Number 3, reconstitution. The share of contribute of the month in the cool graphic across out special channels to further give your profile and social authority and the recognition. Thank you so much again. And now number 4 and number 5 I tell you, community growth. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं हमारा आज का टॉपिक गेट लाइव शेडम के ऊपर मौजूद है। थैंक यू सो मच लिपो, हैव अ नाइस डे लिपो, आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया लिपो, वेलकम, हैव अ नाइस डे लिपो एंड गुड टू सी यू हियर लिपो। पिक द क्रिप्टो लिपो, ओके डियर। तो आप देख रहे हैं दोस्तों नंबर 4, community growth. We issue exclusive rules to contribute to this dashboard Discord that give you access to more channels, event and profession. Number 5, explore OSS project, Shadam Jones RPC server, Shadam Core network, Shadam network status, Shadam documentation, and number 1, sharding validator GUI, Discord to topic of give our good first issue. And now fun to our to YouTube, join us Discord. Thank you so much again आदिल, आपकी मोहब्बतों का भी शुक्रिया। And now our core principal. Thank you. Open. We believe that everyone in the world is a team member of the Shadam. We think of Shadam as we do not open intel into the is not onward by the anyone. It is the onward by the anyone, and the participation is open everyone. In keeping with the principle, we have maintained open communication, addition, discussion, documentation on pretty much everything we do. Thank you again. Now collaborative. Our approach rooted in the belief that collaborative effect led the most innovative solution and advanced by the elimination the concept of the complete. We aim to foster and the ecosystem while every participation win in the individual developer a startup or even computing blockchain platform is viewed as the potential collaborator. The community driven. Thank you so much again, dear friend Bangla. Thank you, Skripo Imam Husefa. Again, thank you. Now, community derivation. I tell you, community derivation. We invite a blockchain where the community does not just use the technology but actively sponsors and the evaluation. We aim to enforce the governance model that reflect the belief, providing maximization of community member to propose the board and the vote and the change the platform. We committed to the transparency and the open communication, ensuring that the community is well informed and integration to every stage of Sherdam development. Thank you so much again, my lovely friend. And I tell you, you see the project, Sherdam projects, open project for the community. We are opening up to all projects from the Sherdam website all the way to our global server. This is the according with your communication to building in future Sherdam with our community. You can fund in the Sherdam project available on the Getty account. All effect we will documented Redum and the contributing guide. Open project for the community. To ensure the Shadam is the community on board and will constitute to be the on the future, we are following the standard of the App Software Foundation as one of the oldest open source organization is decided to experience have created a for from work that ensure their community own word process and responsibility. Thank you my dear friend. Have a nice day. Good day. Boss, thank you boss जी आपकी मोहब्बत का शुक्रिया boss जी. And now you see the rules and responsibility. User contributor and community. A user is someone who use your software. They contribute to Shadam project by the providing valuable feedbacks, reporting board and contribute to community in various way. Contributor. A developer contributor is a user who contribute to project in the form of create, documentation, contribution, activity, participation in the development process by the submitting code and documentation of the other instruments. And now commentators. Commentators are contribute who have ensured the trust of the community thought their concept contribute to the project. They have direct while access to the responsibility and can manage code change. Thank you so much. Project management community PMC. PMC member responsibility and the privilege. A PMC member is a contribute who was the right of access to the code responsibility and shared him orange org mail address. The right to the vote of community related discussion, the right of propose otherwise active contribute to computation. PMC sharing project strategic and governance. The PMC oversee the strategic direction and the governance of the project. They are responsible for the decision making, ensuring the community health and the promotion growth. the PMC as the whole is the entry at that they contribute to the project, not nobody else. Thank you, my dear friend. And now how to get started. As a community project, we care deep about the enabling development to the join and development Shadam and the related projects build new to the skill add. Further, you believe Shadam should have as a such we always willing to help you to get start and monitor you on your journey of the leading the project and making useful contribute. There is a good work to for everyone. What is the skill have and I desired have to code. We also welcome help with decentralization design project organization, organizing made for the promoting at the project. Thank you. We maintain a list of start issue that great way to the get up to speed as a new contribute. You can search for the great start issue label in your issue tracker to see what is the current availability by click the below button. And now how to get started. How to get started. If you have question or need association, join our community on Discord and engage with the other user and contribute. Additionally, you can GitHub issue to ask question, provide feedback, our discussion ideas related to the project. Now get help, mentorship request, discussion about code and chat with the other open source. Thank you again, my dear friend. Now you see the Shadam digitalization for everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Shadam is EVM based automatic blockchain. Sign up for the Shadam community newsletter. इसकी मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया. Have a nice day. Good day, my dear friend. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. Now you see today my topic Get Live Shadam SHM project overview. Thank you, Babu. Thank you, Babu. And Bishwa, Boss, Miner, and Sigo. Thank you so much. Bigra, the crypto world, Sengino, Magnet. Thank you, Magnet. Thank you, crypto. Started. Thank you so much, crypto. We don't so. Thank you. Now you build auto scalable depots on Shadam. Shadam is the world's first EVM-based L1 smart contract platform that auto-scalable and maintains low gas fees forever for any accessible and the efficient decentralization future. Thank you. Building on Shadam is easy. Number one, add Shadam testnet to wallet. Add Shadam testnet to your wallet. Claim test SHM. Develop your contract and deposit similarly on the EVM network. Number two, develop your DAPP. Develop global scalable jobs effectively on the Shadam is to auto scalable network with comprehensive developer to discussion and never worry about rising gas fees again. And now number three, run a validator. Say globally to a cross investigation node running on the blockchain network with Shadam's youth friend GI and minimal hardware requirement validator step a braze. Number four, Shadam Explorer. Over to the power of Shadam with the over innovation explorer traction mountaination activity and gain deep insight into the digitalization world. And now you see sign up to share the development newsletter and partner with us. Thank you. Why you should build on Shadam. EVM computable science, you just need to develop smart contract written into developer friendly language to solidity vapor on the Shadam. It is the tailor made for the both new exciting development pool depot with minutes, security and trustless. A leader proof of currency PAQ consents element proof of the stake POS with accessing sensibility need to rotation and the permission participation all contribute to boost and the security of the network. Instant transaction finality. Shared process transaction individual with the cross sharding complementarity instead of the crossing them the black level result in the flow contribute transaction time of just a few seconds. Security and line scale able low gas forever. Third, the dynamic state sharding. The sharding will auto scale linearly every node to that join the sharding from the network immediately increase the transaction per second TPS capacity. Third, the ensuring low transaction fees ever as the as gas fees grows. Thank you. Recent resource and now recent stored. BIP25 building the transaction monitor the listing 3 with the Sonia single development program engineering OSS 7 how to address feedback on pull request. Thank you my dear friend, have a nice day. Community driver Shadam. Shadam is supported, operate, utilize, management and created by the community. And now Shadam digitalization for everyone. Thank you so much my dear friend, boss Sarmat Khan and other grateful friend. Thank you for joining. प्लीज़ फॉलो कीजिएगा दोस्त और रिवॉर्ड आप हासिल कर सकते हैं. रिवॉर्ड के लिए आपको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. तो दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं आज का मेरा टॉपिक गेट लाइव शेडम SHM प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू और हम आपसे बात कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू वॉक एंड सी डियर फ्रेंड एंड सरमत न्यू वर्ड and K Munir. Thank you K Munir. Have a nice day, good day. And now the new set projects. Shadam new set projects. The listed adopt we are launched during the testnet phase and are ready for maintain development and the smart contract support a live beta expected Q2 2025. So my dear friend, you see the many projects of Shadam. प्लीज़ फॉलो कीजिएगा दोस्तों, रिवॉर्ड हासिल कर लीजिएगा. रिवॉर्ड्स टाइम बिल्कुल सामने है. तो आप डिफरेंट किस्म के जो प्रोजेक्ट हैं वो आप मुलाहिजा कर सकते हैं. Shadam के बहुत से हैं. थैंक यू के मुनीर for joining my lovely friend. And now you see the many project of Shadam. This is so good and beautiful themes of Shadam. Partner with us. You see the partner. Now again Shadam digitalization. Have a nice day dear friend. आपकी मदद का बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों. तो आज का हमारा प्रोजेक्ट गेट लाइव Shadam के ऊपर हम कर रहे हैं दोस्तों. So I tell you again the white paper. Thank you for joining my lovely friend. Shadam, a Shadam Ethereum computable smart contract platform. तो आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों इस टाइम हम मौजूद हैं Shadam के ऊपर. Thank you for joining dear friend. Have a nice day, good day. Thank you for joining. Sniper BM. Thank you Sniper. आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया Sniper. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं व्हाइट पेपर दोस्तों Shadam का. every state. The launch of the Ethereum blockchain in 2015 demonstration to ability to development trading complete the smart contract on the digitalization pre-to-pre network in the transparency and the transaction miner. It solved the mainly differently application ensuring the field of the DeFi, AMS and NFT, DEXI and ATC in return to application increased demanding of Ethereum network due to scalability issue, user paid high transaction fees and the long confirmation time and regulation in the limited adoption. Other smart contract platforms have been contract with the higher thought level than Ethereum, but look and the future exploration decentralization of the platform Shadam is the provide Shadam protocol with the implies dynamic state sharding, cross sharding, automate compilation, auto scale, linear scaling, and the many other and the third technical innovation decision to solve of the transition and keep transaction fees to low even as the adoption increase. We will believe the sustainable for the transaction fees for the key to bring the digitalization application of the masses. Thank you, dear friend. And now the purpose. This white paper is the evaluating documentation to detail shared equation version roadmap technology and the future direction due to the dynamics nature of the development process. Some specific for the technology or the community bring the reference ensure the adoption to serve our community better and the allowing with the our mission. We doubly value trust participation support of the increased community access to the during of the foundation phase of development. In the collaboration we aspire to accord communication system and characterized by the ensuring reliability, sustainability, low fees, and the maintain capacity able of the align with the with user requirement. Thank you. Declaration, my dear friend. I tell you declaration. Thank you again, my dear friend. The contract of the white paper instead information proposed only does not constitute the financial, legal, or any other form of the professional advice. Read use the proportion token holder and the strategic advice to conduct their own independent reform and the contract with the professional in the relative field before the making any discussion related to Shadam and the association project participation in project ensure the inter and the risk ranking from the technology underwriting and the contract validity of regulatory lands and the shift. Now number one, the contract. Now the number one contract, the Shadam platform described to the white paper is the purpose as the without an contribution to the access of any expansion implant while the every perfect has been made to ensure the accurate the completion of information provide they may for the interest motivation into the cloud effect and validity for application of any statement made future change and development. Cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology are the required every field. The information contribute in the white paper might become the outlook many to related or the current state of the Shadam platform it or the future interaction. The Shadam development team reverse the reaching make change of implementation platform without the prior notice. Thank you. Now regularity unity. Cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology are subject to the complex regulatory landscape. The wise the justification. This is the granted to the Shadam will not become the subject of further regulatory action participation in the creation justification. Protectional risk. Evening the Shadam like a blockchain cryptocurrency project or create the innovation risk is the including but not limit to the technology validator, market validator, and third party action into the action. It is the that protectional and the participation understand these rights before the ensure Shadam. Number five, invitation investment warning. Thank you so much again. My dear friend, have a nice day and good day. Thank you for joining. Now you see my topic, Get Live Shadam SHM project overview. Now the future, change and development. Cryptocurrency, blockchain, sorry ये हो गया था. Regularity, uncertainty. Cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology subject to complex the regularity. Sorry dear friend, ये भी हमने पढ़ लिया था. Investment पढ़ रहे थे हम. Investment warning. This white paper does not contact of the offer of speculation to invest and the phase purchasing the SHM token. The SHM token is designed easily for the protection views within the network for the gas fees, staking and validation, and is to improve to function and the investigation increase any staking reward or purport the security computation of contribute to network security and the platform and are not granted return to devoted potential investors should be around in the crypto assets can be high risk. Now number 6, liability. Now the liability. This is the white paper does not constitute offer solution of liability. The Shadam development team contribute any association participant shall not liable for any loss of determination while the direct to indirect arising from the use of reliance on the information contribute the white paper. Anyone considering the Shadam regulation is investigation activities regularly contribute convert thought to the tuning and seek advice from the apricot professional by the association. And this white paper according to the ASWAM for the sponsorship of any discussion made based on to the according and to the information provide the critication area and the understand that should not be sold real upon this documents is information purpose only and the engagement is undercut to your own risk. Thank you so much my lovely friend. And now you see this line, blue lines. Have a nice day dear. Broody 007, thank you Broody. Have a nice day, good day Broody. And now background. Thank you. The metric rise of the Bitcoin and Ethereum has brought about the revelation and change is law security stage story and organize the digital assets responsive a platform transaction the digital ecosystem and social interest. In 2015 the Ethereum network made it possible for the first time carefully full promoting able smart contract and the decentralization network staking of the revelation the demand and the decentralization application has since explored was the use case like AMM, DeFi, NFT, and among the provide new user into the space who otherwise where is the intel in the just cryptocurrency as the popularity of Ethereum and grow over the year. The demand for the transaction on the network here reached the maximum capacity of 20 transactions per second TPS. This is the has led to transaction fees. Thank you so much Magnet. Have a nice day my dear friend Magnet and good to see you there. Thank you for joining Magnet. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बत का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. TPS is this is the lead to transaction fees from the under 1 get 2025 in about 50 in the 2022. Many applications which they were feasible to Ethereum are no longer feasible due to high transaction fees. There is growing need to smart contract platform from the keep transaction fees low not just when the network is new but even ere the layer the example number of the transaction community to grow. थैंक यू सो मच डियर फ्रेंड मिथन. सो मच मिथन साहब, आपका शुक्रिया मिथन. And now the scalability termina. In order to keep transaction fees to low, sustainable network must be able to scale accumulatively and the ever increase number of transactions. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड। दोस्त आज हम प्रोजेक्ट पर बात कर रहे हैं तो मार्केट पर नहीं कर रहे। तो आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया, आपने ज्वाइन किया, आपको वेलकम करता हूं अपनी स्ट्रीम पर माय डियर फ्रेंड। थैंक यू। नो आई टेल यू a network must also maintain a high level of decentralization and security to scalable. Trial says that as the blockchain rise to across security, decentralization, and security, it will only able to attention between the scalability and decentralization. A look of the scalability leads to slow participating to processing and the higher transaction fees, really bad to experience a blockchain digitalization, not immediately feel it to the bad experience, but put all the user are risk losing if should the lack of digitalization be exploration shading of the state debt across the many nodes available in the large network can increase purple processing and also provide a solution to the scalability community. Thank you so much, Vogue and other gated friends for joining. Umar, thank you. And now current solution. And I tell you the current solution. Many new network which provide the exact same on the similar smart contract faculty Ethereum have been developed to the file gave to left by the Ethereum among there is no smart contract platform. Majority of them necessary digitalization to achieve high TPS. We instructionally use the term higher steps of the inside the highly scalable because the network are not digitalization to scale. Return to rise bar the from the Ethereum 20 TPS and higher and maximum type. This is the 500 TPS smart contract is the category does not sharing including the network such a BNB chain, Solana and Algorand to the name few a network approach their max TPS. The tool will expand to the same high fees and the slow processing time Ethereum. The platform can only the increase TPS on the node to the system in the upgrade have more competent storing and bandwidth is the reference as virtual scaling. Thank you so much again dear friend. Have a nice day. सुबह बखैर लीबो, आपका शुक्रिया लीबो अगेन। थैंक यू फॉर लवली कमेंट्स माय डियर फ्रेंड क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया। दोस्तों फॉलो कीजिएगा और रिवॉर्ड ले लीजिएगा। थैंक यू लिपो एंड गेट योर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच लिपो एंड अदर एंड उमर थैंक यू एंड वेलकम उमर, आपकी मोहब्बतों का भी शुक्रिया। प्लीज़ फॉलो कीजिएगा और रिवॉर्ड हासिल कर लीजिएगा। So my dear friend, please follow and pick the reward. Now reward time is coming. Now my topic GitLab Shadam SHM project overview. Mohat, thank you. One of the first smart contract platform to attempt sharding to Zilka. All that does not is the platform shared to the complete state and every transaction we received every mode. However, for the purpose of the validation transaction, the network was shared into the implement protection based on the address space of the account. This reference to complete sharding base into the advice to the network of the validation transaction which useful competition, but since every node to all receive the transaction and update of state all contact to the network bad withdraw and the strong operation still become the bottom line. Zilka is able to achieve higher TPS and the system with the no compact sharing but is not try scalable since the network and the strong are not shared. Thank you so much Mithan friend. Have a nice day and good day all my dear friend. Thank you so much, dear friend. Now you see the Polect costume and the Watcher and the new Harmony and the Milex Ethereum. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. Now you see the 1.3 shading. A nice day, good day, my dear friend. And now technology and design to constitution, user experience and developer experience. Thank you so much. 2.1.3 energy efficiency. Thank you. And now in environment impact. Thank you so much for giving me big gift. Social insulation and knob horizontal scaling, network size and compatibility. Thank you so much. Shared and security. Number 2 architecture network according. आपकी दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया. Now you see the beautiful theme picture. Standard nobles, validator noodle and archive noodles. Thank you again, my lovely friend. And now you see again the beautiful graph. This picture. Validator architecture. And now again the beautiful graph. Shadam application lawyer. Thank you so much, application lawyer. And now staking. Number 222322 unstaking and rewards. Thank you, rewards and shading again. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. Shared protocols, layer and blacklist. POQ consents. Thank you. And now dynamic state shading, line shading and low latency and automatic compatibility. Thank you, my dear friend. Now you see again the beautiful graph picture. आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया दोस्तों. And now layer performance and now table and other, where is other picture, dear friend. Thank you for joining. And now you see the 3.33 sale. Now the shared lines and emotion effect. Thank you. And now again this picture. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now the graph. This is the beautiful graph. Again, thanks, dear. So, my dear friend, you see today my topic Gale Live Shading SHM. And I tell you the total detail. And now in this time I tell you the scale and many beautiful picture and graphics. Now you see, dear friend, again you see this is the beauty of SHAM shadow. Thank you, my dear friend. And now the explorer, and I tell you already detail, my dear friend. You दोस्तों मैं आपको ऑलरेडी ये सारी डिटेल दे चुका हूँ, इस वजह से थोड़ा सा आगे की तरफ जा रहे हैं. सिर्फ आपको ये सारी मैं ऑलरेडी डिटेल दे चुका हूँ. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, माय डियर फ्रेंड, एंड गुड टू सी यू. Security and marketing partnership, future discussion and the community growth and calculation. So my dear friend, this is the ecosystem growth, I tell you, and the path to digitalization. Period of Shadam maintained launch will the future validator capability version and the adopt integration from the well provide the validator service. All the board developer will be able to support adoption to build on EVM platform over to Shadam. Additionally, as we progress to the EVM and additionally launching in the 2025 new adopt future smart contract capital based on the focus future sustainable low fees will be development and Shadem access to the level of the edition to be based on the Shadem platform. User will be platform useful. We believe to the critical means to adoption and the same platform network effect should be the uh, ecology adoption and growth ever further. Path, path to digitalization. Thank you so much again, my dear friend. The ultimate global or digitalization platform to because the growth by the community. Thank you again, my dear friend. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day, Laiso. Recording digitalization outlook and the community governance action. Now, number 7, constitution and the end of the white paper. This is the big white paper, my dear friend. In the evolving leadership of the smart contract platform, shared partnership and investigation approach that the address the instant challenge posed on the blockchain thought the use of the survival level invitation and the dynamic the stabilizing automatically cross to the automatic computation and proof of the QOM and the level shared and the EVM the computing from the Shadam between the scalability security and between the Shadam aims. Thank you so much, my dear friend. आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया. At helping translation of the wider Web3 ecosystem using and the scalability to the security and the digitalization handling development next generation application with the bills of Furia. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. And now I tell you again, you see and stake to earn. Unlocking rules unlock. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Thank you again and good to see you. Now you see my today topic. आप दोस्तों के लिए आज का प्रोजेक्ट दोस्तों शेडम के ऊपर हमने बात की. अनलॉक रूल्स 100% अनलॉक गेट डाटा IO launch pool allows user to stake early. You can stake your assets before the project effectively launching, ensuring you start earning reward immediately once mining begin. Thank you so much, my dear friend, again, and good to see you. Thank you for joining, my lovely friend, Crypto Champion. And now reward distribution. Again, I tell you the reward distribution. The system will distribute, my dear friend, I tell you, the system will distribute token reward to user spot account every hour based on the proportion of the assets staked by the each or and now launch pool and FAQ. How to participate, log in into your Gate Data account and complete identity verification. How identity verification negative Gate Data launch pool hold at the last 0.01 GT 0.00003 ETH click to stake. And now exclusive staking limit privilege for VIP user. VIP 5 and the above user enjoy exclusive staking limits when the participating in launch pool with up to 500% staking limit bonus. Thank you so much. Project information. Now I tell you the project information. Introduction. A Shadam is the world's first auto-scaling layer 1 to blockchain decentralization soul scalable challenge will the maintaining to the true blockchain registration to scalable challenge will. Thank you. Requirement: the decentralization, dynamic state sharing help keep a gas fees low and the TPS high, the participation grow, Shadem perform constitution and the transaction level and the lower the competition power need for the validator need. This constitution maintain makes it possibility for the anyone to node while the increasing decentralization token name. Thank you so much. Now token name. Token name Shadem and token symbol SHM, maximum supply 249,000,000. Token type mainnet and token ID you see, token distribution, retro and unlocking rules. Sale 91440000, SHM 36.72%, 3 month for Caliph, then 2 year daily loiner wasting. Now team 76 2000000, SHM 30.6%, 3 month Caliph, then 20 year daily wasting. Now foundation 55880000, SHM 22.44%, unlock at token generation event TGE. Ecosystem airdrop 25480000, SHM 10.13%, unlock at TGE. वेबसाइट आपने देख ली, व्हाइट पेपर भी आपको दिखा दिया. एंड नाउ नोटिस Gate Data, your launch pool, is the innovation staking and the airdrop platform where the user can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USD and other token to earn hourly airdrop hot and new coins with low entry barriers and the high APR, the ultimate platform for the effectively computing marketing opportunities. Number 2, please complete identity verification before the participation in the launch pool to ensure the security of your account assets. Please adhere to their relevant rules of the event with participating. Any cheating behavior is prosperity and a crossing of any discrepancy will result in a disqualification. The reward. Number 4, where the discrepancy areas between the transaction version and the English version shall prevail. Number 5, Gate Data reserve all the rights to the explanation. Number 6, the event is not affiliated to Apple Link. Number 7, user in the United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot access to server including participation in the event, game or competition. See user agreement for other details. Registered location. Thank you so much. Gate Data, your team labs not invest the Shadem SHM. Risk warning. Number 1, the project material does not guarantee to the token price will not to be lower. It's also price. Please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. Now number 2, the crypto project is still not until the stage factor including the operation and the underlying technology of the project and the related regulatory, technical, financial knowledge and required to the underlying and the value internet risk crypto assets investment. Number 4, the make volatility high and the price of the token might future discrimination to technical regularity and the marketing factor. Now number 5, user may not to able to the withdraw the purchase token due to the technical issue. The project Gate Data now Gate Data IO my 8 2025 gateway to crypto, the over 38 cryptocurrency safely, quickly and easily on Gate Data IO. Token action now, sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome reward in individual friend and earn 40% commission. Stay contact, visit Gate Data official website, download the Gate Data IO Discord, follow us on X Twitter to get more business, join us Telegram community to discuss trading topic, engine from the global community for the latest sign. And now transparency and security, check our 100% proof of reserve. थैंक यू सो मच डियर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. तो आप दोस्तों ने देखा हमारा आज का टॉपिक, हमारा आज का प्रोजेक्ट हमने किया. गेट डाटा यू विल लिस्ट Shadem SHM spot trading stake GT ETH in the launch pool to earn SHM. और मैं उन तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ, ममनून हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया, फॉलो किया, लाइक किया और अपने खूबसूरत से कमेंट्स दिए. Thank you so much again all my dear friend today to join my stream. Thank you so much. तो दोस्तों अब आपसे इजाज़त चाहते हैं, इंशाल्लाह आपसे दोबारा जल्द मुलाकात होगी. तो तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़ और बाय बाय.